Welcome back again. Now I'm going to show how to switch from brick slips to regular masonry. Select the project and then the applied brick. Change its thickness. Switch from brick slips to regular masonry. Now reset the wall to apply the changed project settings. And ready! Insert in the model to verify. Now check out the model. To apply an air cavity, go to Settings, Production, and enter a brick formation offset. Apply changes, and bricks are recalculated. As you can see, an air cavity has been created. See you next time.